Okay, in response to eBay member interested in purchasing this unit. It's old, it's definitely not new. Don't have a power supply for it or power adapter. Using 6 AA's. Closing, you gotta click, it's closed. Connected to the video 1 of my TV. Right back there. Power it on. Click up. The red light turns on. It's in recording mode. Push here. It's in playback mode. Let's get this on video 1. Video 1 is, there it is, I passed it. There, video 1. And come over here and hit the play button right back there. It's playing back something I recorded earlier. And come back here, hit the stop button. Still playing. Hit the stop button. And let's go to change this mode to record mode. When it's red, it's in record mode. It's the record button. There it is. Waiting to record something. We'll just hit this red button here. And it is recording. Can't tell, but if you look in there, you see the corner says record. And we're going to hit this button again to pause it. And it should say pause. And we go here, change it back to play mode. Now it's in play mode. And I'm just going to rewind it. Let's see if I can do this so you can see it. Rewinding. Stop. And hit play here too. It's playing back what we recorded. Let's see, it should stop and start over again. Actually, no, I think that's what I recorded. No, that's what I recorded. Yes. Or that. Oh well. Hit the stop button here. Stop. Stop recording. To eject, it's the blue. Hit the blue and it ejects. To get this back in there, you want to press this corner. Emphasize that. It's a really beat up unit. So just hold it there and it swallows it on its own. And you're ready to go.